Snails are gastropods, which means stomach foot in Latin, and they are effectively slimy eating machines. Snails have eyes, but they don't really have vision, and they don't have hearing. Yet their sense of smell is very acute, and they can smell food from several meters away. They are omnivores, which is another Latin word, meaning eats anything. Their diet consists mainly of leaves, small insects, and decomposing plant material. They also have a huge number of teeth, between 14,000 and 25,000, depending on the species. But their teeth are not really teeth, but rather soft spines, so you don't need to worry about getting a snail bite. Snails are one of the slowest moving creatures in the world. They usually travel at a steady pace, but can reach dizzying speeds of about 50 meters per hour. The slime they secrete helps the snail to move faster by reducing friction and can be used to treat stomach ulcers. They are also hermaphrodites, meaning that they lay eggs that they can fertilize themselves, which makes child custody disputes much simpler. Life for a snail is slow, simple, boring, and slimy.